Hello everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together. Today, we will follow a dramatic rescue mission for a small dog named Barnaby. When danger suddenly strikes, courage and quick thinking create a miracle. Will Barnaby be saved safely? Let's find out together.
Oh no! The soup! Wait! The door! It is locked. This is bad.
Arthur, what happened here?
I forgot the soup.
We need help now.
I am scared. Do not cry, Leo. Be brave. Where is Barnaby?
Oh no! Barnaby is stuck!
I am calling for help. It is a mystery inside. Hello? We need help. There is no fire. Just heavy smoke. The door is locked. My dog is inside.
That sound is loud.
I am very nervous. I am here, Leo.
I cannot see anything.
Listen. They are coming.
Look! A red truck.
They are finally here.
Look at his fire! Firefighter! Hello, I am Firefighter Jack.
Hello, Jack. We need help.
Tell me about the smoke.
There is no fire, just heavy smoke.
Just heavy smoke? I understand. I forgot the soup on the stove. It is okay. You are safe now. Thank you.
But the door is locked.
Locked? Let me see.
My dog is inside.
Your dog is inside? Do not worry.
We will save him. You are very brave.
Everyone, please stand back.
We must stand back, Leo.
The door is very strong. It is stuck completely. It is completely stuck? Yes. What is he doing?
He is getting a tool.
This will open the door safely?
He has a special tool.
I will open it gently.
Here we go. Just a little push. It is moving a little bit. The lock is open now.
Stay back. The smoke is thick.
I cannot see inside. It is a mystery, Leo.
I am going in now.
Please find Barnaby. He is stuck.
I will find him.
I must stay low. The air is better here.
I am so nervous. I hope Barnaby is safe.
Barnaby, where are you?
I must listen carefully. It is a mystery. I see you. You are stuck under there. Do not be scared, little friend. I am here. You are brave. Let's go outside.
We are almost safe, Barnaby.
Look! He is coming out! Ah! Is it Barnaby?
I found him. He is safe.
I love you, Barnaby. I am so proud. Barnaby, you are safe.
Here he is, Leo.
Thank you, Jack. You are very brave.
You are welcome. I am so proud. Thank you, Jack.
He is safe. But he is coughing.
Do we need a wet towel for him?
Yes, a wet towel is very good.
I will get the wet towel now. The water is nice and cool. Here is the wet towel, Mom.
This wet towel feels good, Barnaby.
He He is so peaceful now. He is happy.
The smoke is still very heavy inside. We must clear all the heavy smoke.
Clear the heavy smoke? How do we do that?
I will open all the big windows.
He is opening the big windows.
This big window is open now.
Look at all that smoke.
The smoke is leaving our house.
It smells very peaceful and clean now.
The house is safe now. The smoke is gone.
I am sorry for the smoke. I feel silly.
It is okay. We all make mistakes sometimes.
Let's remember what happened today. First, I forgot the hot soup. Then, the heavy door locked.
Next, I called the emergency number quickly. I stayed calm.
Then, you saved Barnaby. He was stuck and scared.
Yes, you were smart and brave. Teamwork makes everyone safe. I am so glad we are all safe together.
No more cooking for me today.
It is peaceful now. We can order pizza tonight.
Barnaby is very happy and active now. You are a very fast dog, Barnaby.
It is time for me to go now. This small tool is very useful.
Good job today, little tool.
Goodbye, Firefighter Jack. Thank you for being so brave.
Goodbye, Mia. Stay safe and be good.
Bye-bye, Jack. He don't get stolen man.
He is a very good and helpful man.
Time to go back to the station.
Goodbye, big red truck.
Goodbye, our brave friend.
The truck is gone.
Our house looks very peaceful now.
Very peaceful, Arthur. Let's go inside together.
I am walking inside with you.
The lock is perfect. Jack is amazing.
It smells fresh in here again.
My blue blanket is perfectly safe.
Look! Barnaby is in his bed.
The golden light is very beautiful.
I must check the kitchen now.
The stove is completely off.
Completely off? That is very good, Arthur.
The dirty pot is in the sink.
I will close this big window.
I am hungry. Can I eat this apple?
Of course, sweetie.
Eat this apple? Yes, you can, Mia.
Where do I put this wet towel?
Put it in the green basket, Leo.
The towel is in the basket.
We are a very brave team today. It feels so good to sit down.
We are very lucky today.
Barnaby wants to sit with us. You are a very good dog, Barnaby.
Look at the beautiful sun.
We must never forget the hot stove.
I promise. I will always remember.
I feel very safe now, Mia.
Thank you, brave heroes.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.